I'm going to show you how to make mango cinnamon iced tea. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. Like, share, comment, and I'll really appreciate. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 5 tablespoons of blended mango, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of tea leaves, and ice cubes. Let's get to the next step. So I'm going to add 2 cups of water in my cooking pot. Then I add sugar, tea leaves, and cinnamon. So I'm going to add everything together and let it boil for about 5 minutes. As you can see, it's boiling. At this stage, I'm going to remove it and set it aside. My ice cubes are here. I'm going to transfer them here. I'll take my mango or blended mango I add to the ice cubes. There it is, you can see how it looks. Then from there I'm going to add my tea. And I'm going to stir everything together. Here is our mango iced tea. You can see how it looks. It's very healthy, very delicious. You should try it out and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.